Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Welsh Rarebit. Let's get started. Slice some white bread, toast them, then set aside. I will make the cheese sauce. Melt some unsalted butter at low heat. Add the plain flour, then mix them well. Gradually add the double cream. Add some beer. A little paprika. Black pepper. A little Worcestershire sauce, and keep half for later. English mustard. Cheddar cheese. When the cheese completely melts, turn off the heat. Set the boiler to low. Add the cheese sauce onto each toast. Broil them for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I use a chopstick to decorate the topping, then broil them for another 2 minutes at high. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, the white bread and the cheese sauce cost me less than $12. I will enjoy my Welsh Rarebit with a little Worcestershire sauce on top. Thanks for watching my video.